Hello everybody, it's Buff getting started on homesteading. I made a video yesterday about my test tap. And I come out here today, take a look at it, and we have sap. Let's go here and look. Alright, sorry about the wiggly camera. But you look, I don't know if you can see. We got about 2.5, 3 inches, and it's still dripping in there. But we have sap, so I'm going to start tapping the rest of the trees. I got to figure out how, because I'm going to tap probably, I'm going to have maybe 20 taps going in. But I'm going to take this off real quick, and I'm going to taste it and see what... I dropped it. Damn it. Sorry. Oh, I'm going to taste it and see what it tastes like. It tastes like real sweet water. And that's what you want it to taste like. It's not got a woody taste or nothing. But there it is. It is tapping season. So I'm going to start tapping here in a little bit, and I will get you a video out of me tapping a tree. I'll see y'all later. Have a good one. That was good. Bye.